Checking your account balance on Spendee is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily view your financial information. Step 1. Open the Spendee app. Launch the Spendee application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your financial data. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once the app is open, go to the main dashboard. This is usually the first screen you see after logging in, displaying an overview of your finances. Step 3. Select the account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your emailed accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. View account balance. After selecting the account, you will see the current balance displayed prominently. This section may also show recent transactions and spending categories. Step 5. Log out if necessary. If you are using a shared device, consider logging out of your account after checking your balance. This helps keep your financial information secure. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily check your account balance on Spendee. Remember to keep your app updated for the best experience.